this video will be in English, especially because sometime back, a gentleman from Mumbai consulted me and he said, I want to port my health insurance product. My advisor is asking me to port my health insurance product, but I'm not sure whether I should port it or not. And he paid my consulting fee. And after that, I spoke to him for 1.5 hours. And I told him the only thing that he lacked was a term insurance, and he should buy a term insurance for at least 1 or 1.5 crores. Okay. Though his income was quite good. Having said that, why I told him it is enough to buy a term insurance for 1 crore, though he was earning much better, was because he was overweight. I want to ensure that at least for that 1 crore the company should issue. So there are some logic you have to apply. You cannot make everyone to go ahead and buy 5 crores, because issuing the policy is also most important thing. Okay, some people will have health status. I will tell you the other side of the story. Someone who's earning only 25,000 to 30,000 a month, you know how many people are in India are like that? They desire to buy a term insurance for 1 crore. Some companies, especially companies like TATA AIA, HDFC, even Max Life for that matter, they will be very strict that your income proof, it should be at least above 4.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. 5 lakh salary statement for 5 lakhs is important. Like, annual income should be at least 5 lakh to get a 1 crore term insurance product. So imagine someone who's earning 35,000 a month desires to buy 1 crore term plan, and they are sometimes able to get it also. But if your annual income is more than 12 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, are you also going to buy for 1 crore? Are you also assuming that if you are not there, your family will be happy with that 1 crore? What is the lifestyle? I know people who are earning 30, 40 lakh annual income and they are just settling for 1 crore or 2 crore. Fine. Never be influenced by my video. That is my principle. Okay. If you want to buy a term insurance only for 1 crore or 2 crore, go ahead and buy. But this is only to see, these days you can go to online platform, official website and go and see the code. The ideology is to change your mindset. And after that, when you do consulting with me, based on your mindset, income status, expectation, your argument, my argument, based on that, I will give 1 month time. And after that, you can take a decision. Okay. So message me any time of the day if you want to buy a term insurance product, and we could proceed for that. I request for a consulting fee, because this is the model many people like also, because eventually they have freedom to buy online or through the bank or whatever it is. Okay. 5 crore life cover. I'm not telling this company is good, that company is bad. All the companies are good if you like that company. As simple as that. Okay. Now let us get into this. Never be influenced by video. It is for hard-earned money, because these products are very, very expensive. But remember, I am not recommending anything also. Eventually, where you buy the product, they should take lifetime responsibility. Don't lock me in there. Thank you guys for trusting me. Okay. Gratitude to Tamils across the world, and of course this English video, I hope I reach out to other people also. Okay. Let's say how people are creatively using the term insurance product. Let's say a businessman or someone who's working. He's let's imagine that he's 45, 50. Okay. His total asset is worth around 5 crores asset, and he has some bank's fixed deposit. He has some portfolio. His total worth is around 5 crores. Let's imagine like that. And he has 2 children. Okay. If he is eligible, if his health status is good at that time, if he can afford the term insurance premium even in that age, then let's say he is getting a term insurance for 5 crore until the age of 90. His total worth is somewhere around 5 crores. He has 2 children. So already that for that 5 crore, the 2 children will get the share, each of their share. And let's say that there is another 5 crore he is virtually creating, because he may not cross that age of 90, or even you can buy a term insurance even until the age of 100. I recommend 90. That is enough. Okay. This 5 crores again created for your children. So this is how many businessmen are creatively using a term insurance product. Even after the age of 45, they are buying a term insurance for 20 crores. They are buying a term insurance for 15 crores. So remember, it is up to you how to creatively use the term insurance product. Okay. Now let's come to this imaginary client whose name is Sai, whose age is a median age, because term insurance you can buy even at the age of 50. Okay. Age is 35, could be IT professional. And for him, what is the term insurance premium? Okay, and it is very important. Their annual income should be 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs. Minimum 15 to 20 lakhs if you are expecting a term insurance more than 4 crore or 5 crore. Okay. Now, regular pay, I will show you the value for regular pay also. Many people are doing these mistakes. You are assuming that you are a genius. You know how many women have called me, at least 10 women have called me saying that my husband is 52 years old. He passed away last year. The last 2 years continuously has not paid the premium, and that will be really painful for them. So if you can afford it, I'm sorry, if you can afford it, if you can afford it, try to complete the premium paying term within 12 years or 15 years. Okay, maximum should be 20 years. But maximum regular pay, what are you achieving? I don't understand. But everyone are doing that. NRIs will do it properly. Most of the NRIs in Singapore and Middle East, they are taking the term insurance for 5 pay. Okay, anyway, again, don't be influenced by what I said. If you can pay only in regular pay, do it. It is your wish. Okay. Mindset is what I'm trying to. I cannot change your mindset. I'm trying to see whether you can consider this. Okay. Let's say this 36-year-old person, he's considering a 5 crore life cover. His age is 36 and premium paying term is for 15 years. So until the age of 85, he's planning to buy a term plan. Okay. So which is 40 years policy term. Correct? And TATA AIA Sampoorna Raksha promise see every 4 months 6% that premium is increasing. So this might be I will become old, the video will become old, only you will become new. You will become fresh, you will stay young always. So remember the video might become old, but having said that, at this point of time when I'm making this video, 2,74,568 rupees per year for 15 years you have to pay for a 5 crore life cover in TATA AIA Sampoorna Raksha promise. Having said that, if you are eligible for 5 crores in TATA AIA, you will get another product called Maharaksha Supreme. That premium will be much lesser than this. Okay. Now, 5 crore life cover in HDFC Life Click2Protect Super, it is 2,54,912 rupees per year. Okay. Again for 15 pay. Okay, you will be assuming that HDFC Life is lesser, Tata is more. No, that is not the ideology I'm trying to convey here, because Tata AIA, if you are eligible for this 5 crore product, you will get a much cheaper product also. Okay, almost HDFC and Tata's Maharaksha Supreme will be same premium. With that said, I am just asking you one question. Can you afford this amount? Can you afford this amount? If you can afford it, you can certainly go for it. If you cannot afford it, buy for 3 crores or buy for 2 crores. If you are earning more than 15 or 20 lakh and buying only for 1 crore, after 20 years, you will be feeling bad about it. So don't do that. When you are doing it, because term insurance, the premium is freezed based on the age. When you are young, buy it for 5 crores if it is eligible. I will give you a very, very simple example. People who are, you see, even people in the financial domain are recommending this. This is very, very painful. If you pay for 15 years, the premium is 2,74,000. If you are paying for 50 years, all the 50 years you are paying the premium until the age of 85, the premium is 1,53,760. And secondly, you have a burden of ensuring that every year the auto debit is happening every year. On time, the premium is being paid. Do you think after the age of 50, you have time to do all these things? Just 30 days after the grace period, if the person is passed away, then you will not even get 1 rupee. You can write emails and all those things. You can at least get the premium. The premium paid will be given back to the policy holders, family, nothing else. So remember to finish it within 10 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, or maximum 20 years. Beyond that, I don't recommend. I've given term insurance in regular pay also, but their income status is like that. Okay, what is your income status? Based on that, you take a decision. Okay. Again, for issuing 5 crore term insurance, you have to understand your status, Indian or NRI, your education status, income proof. Can you prove that you have more than 15, 20 lakhs annual income? Your health status is important. Otherwise, there might be a loading fee. And what is your mind? Just for term insurance, if I am not there, the family is going to get me. What is the use in that? Your mindset. Do you have the mindset to buy a pure term insurance, or we have to discuss other products? So usually what I do, I discuss couple of products. Okay, then I will ask the client to take, because it's very expensive. One of my clients bought a term insurance for 15 crores. Bought a term insurance for 15 crores. And you know how much he paid? Somewhere around 7.5 lakhs premium. That is 10 pay. He's going to pay somewhere around 76 lakhs for a 15 crore life cover until the age of 85. So if he is not, even for natural death, if he's not crossing the age of 85, his family is going to get 15 crores. That's 15 crores. So imagine there are people who are respecting a term insurance product, who are using the term insurance product creatively. If you cannot buy for 5 crores, buy for 3 crores or 2 crores. But don't, if your eligibility is for 5 crores, buying only for 1 crore doesn't make any sense. Okay, that is my mindset. And if you want to do a consulting with unbiased opinion, if someone has suggested, if you are researching online, all I need is message me any time of the day, request me what is the consulting fee. During the mutually convenient time, I need somewhere around 30 minutes at least to speak. We could proceed with the consulting session. Thank you so much and good luck to you.